So hello guys, I am Sorodip Biswas. So welcome back to my channel. So today with me is the Crompton high speed ceiling fan that you are watching. So it's a 1050mm or 42-inch ceiling fan, and it is a old stock product. So I was surprised, and the special thing about this is, as you are watching, it's a Kundem product. So it's 11 2018 and it's a Kundem product. So enough talking, let's quickly unbox the product and see what's inside. So guys, let's quickly unpack the fan. So this is the blades of the fan that you are watching. It's a 42-inch blade. Now let me proceed to the motor. So as you are watching here, this is the motor, and so this is a cylinder capacitor, 2 microfarad capacitor, and it's manufactured in 2010-2018, and everything is perfect as you are watching. So this is the motor. So let me show it to you. So as you are watching, there are some fingerprints on the motor, but that's not an issue. So this is a very slim looking motor, and the motor is really heavy motor. This motor is quite heavy in its segment. So this is the best 42-inch ceiling fan available in the market, and there are other models out there, but just ignore them, because if you want the best performance out of a ceiling fan with the minimum power consumption from an induction motor and maximum airflow, I mean the efficiency in a higher side, then this is the best choice for you, because in the ceiling fan segment, the Crompton HS gives the best airflow. So guys, as you are watching, the tools that is required is absolutely in front of your eyes. So the spanners are 1011. So this is a double-sided screwdriver. This is a Taparia brand screwdriver, double-sided. So as you are watching, so I bought it recently, and this is a Taparia brand plier. So always buy this Taparia brand tools, because this company provides the best tools. So my spanner is also Taparia. So whatever might be, let me now install the product. So during installation, always use this safety screw provided, and don't remove this safety cap. This is actually a dust guard. So guys, as you are watching, the assembly of the fan is completed. So let's hang this fan in the ceiling and let's see what's the performance. So guys, finally the HS42 has been installed, and as you can see, the fan is looking absolutely awesome, and even the fan is looking really powerful. So let us start the product and see what's the performance. So let's start it. So the speed is absolutely awesome and the airflow is perfectly awesome. It is giving very thick airflow. So this is the most powerful 42-inch fan ever in this planet as per my practical experience. The fan is really silent. The speed is around 370 rpm. It's 370 or 380 rpm, something in between that. Currently the voltage is around 240 volts, 66 watts as per the specifications. The airflow from this fan is around 195 cubic meters per minute airflow. So basically this fan is meant for medium sized rooms. So if you have a room around 8 by 8 feet or 7 by 7 feet like this, or something like 64 to 70 square feet type of room, then this 42-inch fan will be very good for that application. Since 48-inch fan you can put there, but the airflow will be not perfect, since the suction effect will be reduced above the fan. I have put here in a normal space where I can put 48-inch fan or whatsoever, but basically these kind of 36, 42, 24-inch fans are made for small rooms. But if you want some boost of airflow, some better performance compared to the 48-inch versions, then this 42 will be the perfect choice for you, because the 42-inch models have a slightly better speed. The blade angle or the aerodynamics is same as that of the 48. So basically, since the diameter of the fan is less compared to the 48-inch fan, so what happens is that the airflow is very concentrated across the blade. So if you are somewhat dissatisfied with a 48-inch fan that you are owning and you want a better fan, then you can go for these 42-inch size fans. So there is also another option of 36-inch high-speed fans, but basically those regional brands make those kind of fans, those 36 high-speed. In the branded segment, 36 is normal speed and it's not high-speed. So basically this fan is a mixture of 36-inch fan with a 48-inch fan. What I mean to say is that 42-inch fan is basically, it's a speed like 36-inch and the airflow is like 48-inch. So you will get the mixture of the two and you will have a sweet spot in between. So that's why these kind of fans are perfect for hot rooms, heated environments, since this kind of fans can give you the instant comfort when you arrive from a humid day or what in your house. I can say this aspect because I also own a Box Logo 2006 HS42. So that's why I have the experience regarding the 42, and this is my brand new 42, as you can see. So this is my second 42 too. I am very comfortable under this fan. So if you guys want this fan, you can ask your shopkeeper. Obviously they will promote the 36-inch fans to you, because I feel they get slightly greater incentive or what from the smaller size 36-inch fan or the 48-inch, since 42 is the less selling product. So you need to force the shopkeepers to bring this fan from distributor to you for your requirement. To those people who say 42-inch is discontinued, I am saying one thing: this Crompton HS42 is not discontinued from the market. It's very widely available in the market, even in this one-star era also. So basically there is no difference between the one-star and the non-star rated in case of performance from the Crompton HS models. Crompton HS gives the ultimate comfort that nobody can give. And if some of you guys are very much used with this Crompton HS in your as your daily driver, then obviously no other fan, even the Crompton's Aura, Jura, Avancer cannot give you the similar comfort that the HS gives. Since I got the habit of always staying under the HS, so that's why if I have different models, many models of Crompton and other brands, but still I feel the HS is the king. So this is the HS42 for you. It's a slightly smaller fan, but a great performer. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, press the like button. If you enjoyed the fan also, press the like button. Don't forget to share my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Whatever might be guys, thanks for watching.